Gates open that up and racing. One slow out. Runner number 2, Lady Liam. Back to the leader, Melodious, in command by about 2 lengths. Running in second, Play the Music. Saga racing in third. Moving up is Mutya ng Pasig. Next in line, City Girl. Running on the outside, Miss Magicland Bliss. And running second last is Runaway Champ, and a long way back to Lady Liam. Past the half-mile pole, Melodious running on the outside. Play the Music is racing in third. Mutya ng Pasig, then moving up by the rail, Saga, as they round at the last 600. Melodious this time by about 4 lengths. Play the Music, Mutya ng Pasig racing in third. Running on the outside, City Girl, Miss Magicland as they turn for home. Jeff Sarate on Melodious, still leading the field by about 5 lengths. Running in second by the rail, Mutya ng Pasig, City Girl, Miss Magicland with 150 to go. Melodious starts to draw away by about 8 lengths. And finally, Jeffrey Zarate on Melodious, doing it from start to finish. Second, Saga, Mutya ng Pasig, City Girl, Miss Magicland.
Ano